hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. So let's see on the screen hotel location. Reviews that provide decorations and also find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given 5 to enjoy the Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. In category 10. Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen what guests will be required to present their WiFi and check. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Amenities of rooms are available online and enjoy your stay. Several calendars are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel and you have not subscribed to our channel, then you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. So watching the video, you like, your friends will be the